Hello and welcome. Today we are going to review number 5 on the trimester 3 review sheet. So first, let's start with this equation. Now, we want to get the x by itself, and since the 3 is connected to the x through multiplication, we want to get rid of this negative 1. So first, we are going to add 1 to both sides of this equation. Then you draw the line, and you're left with 3x is less than 6. Now, 3 is still connected to the x, so we have to divide it by 3 because division is the opposite of multiplication. So we're going to divide by 3. And now we're left with x is less than 2. So that's good for that equation. Now let's go over to this equation right here. Now, the x and the 7 are connected to addition. So to get the x by itself, we have to minus 7 or add the opposite of 7, so plus negative 7. It's the same thing though. Minus 7 plus negative 7. It'll just be easier to add that to the 3. So now you're left with x is less than or equal to negative 4. Now we want these to kind of, just for our sake of looking easier, we're going to put this equation answer and this one next to each other. So we're going to bring down this or, and we're going to bring down this equation just so they're next to each other. Now we get to graph. This is the fun part. Yeah. So now we're going to draw a line graph here. Now we have to graph all the numbers through 2 and negative 4. So we'll start with negative 4, go all the way up to 2. You can go a little bit further if you want. So now, when there's a sign like this, where it's just the less than, it'll be not filled in. It'll be an open circle. So you put an open circle over the 2. And over here, this one is has a line under it, which means it's an equal to. So that one would be filled in over the negative 4. Now we have to connect the lines. So x is what we're solving for. X is smaller than 2, so everything that's smaller than 2, and x is smaller than or equal to negative 4, so anything down here. But see, we don't really need this dot anymore because the line goes straight through. Just so to simplify this, we just, on top of it, draw a line without that circle in it. And there you go. That wasn't so hard, was it? So now we can put a big smiley face and maybe with a mustache. There you go. And a goatee. There you go. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.